Foods that remove cholesterol naturally. There is a good or bad cholesterol, scientifically known as high density lipoprotein HDL and low density lipoprotein called LDL cholesterol. HDL means good fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, olives, cooking oils made from plants or seeds, and fish. But not all plant or seed oils are heart friendly. How our body reacts to good or bad cholesterol. The liver produces most cholesterol, but we also get it from food. HDL transports cholesterol from our body cells, and also it absorbs cholesterol from the blood and is then sent to the liver to broken down and eliminated as waste. LDL transports cholesterol made by the liver to our cells. Foods rich in soluble fiber like barley, oatmeal, and brown rice also help lower LDL cholesterol by reducing cholesterol absorption into the bloodstream. HDL helps to remove LDL from your arteries. If you have less HDL, then it contributes to higher LDL level. Our cholesterol levels go up as we age. Women have lower cholesterol levels before menopause than men of the same age. How to choose good cholesterol? Saturated and trans fats may add flavor to the food, but they are bad fats that produce LDL, while monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are good fats that give HDL. Examples of saturated fats are butter, coconut oil, palm oil, lard, fatty cuts of meat, sausages, bacon, cured meats like salami, chorizo, and pancetta, cheese, and high-fat dairy foods like whole milk, sour cream, and ice cream. Trans fats are found in margarine, vegetable shortening, banaspati ghee, fried foods, and baked goods like crackers, biscuits, and pies. Now let us discuss the good fats, the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats are found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olives, and olive oils. Pistachios, almonds, and pecans are higher in monounsaturated fats than other nuts. Polyunsaturated fats are found in sunflower, corns, soybean, flaxseed oils, fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. Walnuts are higher in polyunsaturated fats than any other nut. Omega-3 fats are a type of polyunsaturated fat that the body can't make, so they must come from the food. Fish is an excellent way to get omega-3 fats. Good fats or cholesterol keep our hearts healthy and prevent plaque buildup. Bad fat clogs our arteries and build plaque, which can lead to the heart diseases. When managing cholesterol, the goal is to improve the ratio of good to the bad cholesterol. The lower the LDL, better your ratio. Try to avoid trans fats and replace saturated fats with unsaturated fats. Saturated fats and trans fats increase bad cholesterol. We should keep saturated fats to less than 10% of our total calories and trans fats as close to 0 grams as possible. So friends, this was today's video which discussed in detail the good and bad cholesterol and how the body reacts to various kinds of cholesterols. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, and if you have something to say, do comment. Thanks for watching.